GlassesUSAcom reviews, is GlassesUSA legit or a scam? GlassesUSAcom reviews, is GlassesUSA legit or a scam? If you're shopping online for prescription glasses or sunglasses, GlassesUSAcom often pops up as a popular option. But can you trust it, or is it just another online scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming all online eyewear stores are risky. The surprising truth is that GlassesUSAcom is a legitimate retailer that has been operating since 2009. They partner with licensed opticians and offer a wide range of frames, from affordable to designer brands. You won't believe what happens next. GlassesUSAcom allows you to upload your prescription and even try frames virtually using their November 25, 2025 try-on tool. Customers report fast shipping, responsive customer support, and hassle-free returns if the glasses don't fit. The website also uses secure payment methods, which is crucial when entering personal and prescription information. To shop safely, always double-check that your prescription is current and enter your pupillary distance (PC) correctly. Take advantage of the virtual try-on feature to ensure the frame fits your face shape. GlassesUSA also frequently offers discounts, making it a cost-effective alternative to brick-and-mortar stores. In conclusion, GlassesUSAcom is not a scam. It's a trusted online eyewear retailer with a solid reputation for quality products, reliable service, and convenient online tools. By following proper ordering steps, you can enjoy stylish, prescription-perfect glasses delivered right to your door.